Welcome to Quick Bite, your fast and friendly Florida insurance update.
Hello. This is Rashonda with the ISOM Insurance Group here in the sunshine state of Florida. Welcome back to another Quick Bite Free Friday episode, your fast and informative insurance market update. Today is Friday, November the 21st, 2025. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. And today I answer real questions from you. And with Thanksgiving just a few days away, we're covering two holiday questions that come up every single year. Number one, what happens if the turkey fryer causes a fire? Number two, if someone breaks a window or damages your house during Thanksgiving, is it covered? Let's jump right in. All right, let's start with the big one, the fan favorite, the star of every Thanksgiving claim season, the turkey fryer. Turkey fryer fires are one of the most common holiday claims. They happen fast and usually because the turkey wasn't thawed, the oil overflowed, or someone got a little too confident in the backyard. So the big question is, are you covered? Yes, most of the time. If the turkey fryer starts a fire, your homeowner's insurance usually covers the damage. Under dwelling coverage, that includes your porch, siding, walls, roof, lanai, anything attached to the home. Now, let's talk about something people don't always think about, smoke damage. Smoke can cause more damage than the flames. And yes, smoke cleanup is usually covered too. That includes odor removal, cleaning walls and ceilings, and even cleaning your HVAC system if smoke got into the vents. If the fire damages personal belongings like patio furniture, decorations, or your grill, that falls under personal property coverage. If a guest gets burned or injured during the fire, your liability or medical payments coverage can help pay their medical bills. Now, here's the one exception. If you ignored safety rules like frying the turkey in the garage, your insurance company might question negligence. But for normal accidental fires, you're typically covered. Now, let's move inside the house because if there's one thing I've learned, Thanksgiving brings family, fun, and chaos. Let's talk about accidental damage during the holiday. Here are the real questions I get every single year. What if someone breaks a window? What if a kid knocks over my TV? What if someone spills wine all over my carpet? These things happen, and the good news is this. If the damage is accidental, your homeowner's policy usually covers it. If a guest breaks something like a lamp, a window, TV, or a piece of furniture, it's covered under your dwelling or personal property coverage, depending on what was damaged. But this is the big but, your deductible applies. So if the repair is less than your deductible, you'll pay out of pocket. And I would suggest don't even call that claim in. If you get an estimate and it's showing that the damage is not going to be over your deductible, do not call that claim in because it's not going to be covered and it's just going to reflect on your record for 3 years. Now, let's talk about a different situation, intentional damage. If two cousins get into a fight and someone intentionally punches a hole in the wall, that can be denied because intentional acts are excluded. But if the person responsible is a minor or the situation is more complicated, your policy might still respond. It depends on the details. Next, what if someone gets hurt? If a guest slips or spilled gravy or trips on the patio, you have two protections: medical payments coverage for small medical bills, liability coverage for bigger injuries or lawsuits. This is why strong liability limits matter, especially during the holiday. How about the kids? Kids and holidays go together like stuffing and mashed potatoes, and something always gets broken. If a child accidentally damages your belongings, that's usually covered under your personal property coverage. And last, overnight guests. If someone staying with you breaks a lamp or ruins bedding, it's also typically covered. But please, please, please keep this in mind. If the damage does not go over your deductible, Do not call in that claim. Do not, because nothing's gonna be paid out on it. So you always want to make sure that the damages are going to exceed your deductible. Before we wrap up, I want to give you a few quick reminders. Holiday claims spike every single year. The most common ones are kitchen fires, slips and falls, broken windows, damaged TVs and furniture, wine or food spills, or packages being stolen, dishwasher leaks, and yes, turkey fryer fires. Before Thanksgiving, take 2 minutes to check your deductible. Review your liability limits. Make sure your personal property is insured at replacement cost and not actual cash value, unless you did want to do actual cash value to save on the premium. These little steps can save you a lot of money and stress later. That's all, folks. If you found today's Free Friday Quick Bite episode helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and tell me in the comments what's your funniest or craziest Thanksgiving mishap. I might feature it in a future episode. Remember, Quick Bite episodes now drop every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. This video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as legal, tax, or specific insurance advice. Please consult a licensed insurance professional about your unique situation. This is Rashonda with the ISOM Insurance Group here in sunny Florida. Thank you for watching. Have a safe, happy, and claim-free Thanksgiving coming up. Stay safe out there. Bye.
Thank you for watching. Visit us at isomInsuranceGroup.com.